Sanibonani guys, nina buyani ngapha masinye ngosonto ekuseni kungananegesi ngeload shedding. Usisi uyangibhalela uthi awushozi bophelo bokibophila suffocate akisakhona angisakhoni ngifuna i-out. Usisi uthi okay guys, nibaningi ningibhala itori ne, please kancane ngizosa lesikafela lapilo ngizosikhuluma istory sakho eventually. If ubona ukuthi maybe kudala wangibhala because inetori ezingidala ukuthi ngasivula ngakhohlwa ngisakhona ukuthola. If ubona ukuthi kudala ngakubhalela ne ena ngithola bengicela shem ungenzele i-high uthi high kuphela then I will know ukuthi kudala wangibhalela istory sakho ngasikhulumanga. Back to the story. Okay, usisi uthi awushozi okay mina ngivele emakhaya and thina ikithi si3 so mina ngiyi-first born so and umamami ushade nobabami waba yi-housewife azange asebenze umamami mangaba sebenza ngaso bokusebenza ubabami like bekasupporta. I don't want to talk bad about my father. Ubabami bekasupporta and bekasebenza umsebenzi alright yabona. So kwenzeka ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyamkhumbula ke ubabami makamkhumbula washona like that and then mosquito and then uma wami athi musima ungashona indoda ushadile eventually the family yibo babami bathi uma wami uthakathe ubabami stuff like that samukwizinto izimali zabangwa and baba mina bekasebenza under government kwabangiwa izimali kwabangifinisha kwabangiwa izimoto kwabangiwa kwabangiwa sasani yabona wathola ukuthi nanoma nemali sayithola encane le sibangiwe yaba incane ya supporta iminyaka enyana yabese iyaphela. Mina bengihlala nomami nabantwana basekhaya yabona abayi2. So kwenzeka ukuthi vele la sihlala khona kababami akusesemnandi sekunokuthakathana and stuff like that. So mama decided ukuthi bantwana mama asithutheni sibileni ekhaya mina ngiyibo mama ngiyibo mama bekunogogo wami nomalume. So umalume mashada obese move out igibo mama kwashala mina with my mother and my siblings yabona. Uthi okay makunjalo ke mina bengenza grade 12 loyo nyanga ngenza grade 12 ngaqeda mangicatha ukuthi vele akusakhona ukureke kuphele kasikolo indaba zabo ukuthi siya apply abo NAFSAS and stuff like that uthi bengingazazi because bengisemakhaya bengingazazi. Uthi after that kwamele ukuthi vele ngiyenza ngibona gore ke mosadi ke tswa jwang plan go supporta lelapa le because besiphila ngemali yegrant kagogo. Hayi uthi bekunomunye umngane wami ahlala eCape Town yabona. So uthi ngikhulume naye ukuthi friend ngidinga like umsebenzi yazi fanele ukuthi ngisupport umamami nogogo wami because we are financially struggling and abantwana besekithi angifuni ukuthi bafane nami ngifuna ukuthi nabo babe ne-opportunity ukuthi bafunde bangayeki isikolo njengami yabona. Hayi usisters athi okay ngizokuthumela imali ibus ticket wena uthenga ibhasi ugibela ibus to Cape Town mina uzothola ngokumele eCape Town. Okay usisi uthi uzothola ngokumele eCape Town so wena gibela ibhasi ke uthi hayi okay ngilongitshela umama ukuthi no umngane nami asenze ithi umngane ubani so uthi umngane ubani vele asenze ithi umngane uLetisha. Hayi umama uLetisha ngisho ngithola umsebenzi so ungithumele nemali ibus ticket so ngithenga ibus ticket ngihamba ngiya eCape Town ngizulu toho ukuthi sikhona ukuthi siphile la endlini. Awuthi mama mvele ajabule and stuff like that athi okay hamba mntwana wami azangibhakele nesikhaftini uthi ube ngibele ibus ke boom Cape Town. Uthi mangifika eKapa vele ngithola vele friend ufriend uhamba neboyfriend yakhe ya uorganti laba bangale abakhuluma English le yabona loyo uthi hamba neboyfriend yakhe loyo how hayi ngibele friend okay siya kwami friend introduce lo ban chiko watu abana then lo mngane wami usindiswa sithi Letisha nosindiswa lo mngane wami usindiswa. Okay sharp uthi sihambe uthi masifika kageli kuhle kageli nomuntu wakhe kuhle uthi ngabelieve ukuthi lo muntu lempilo vele ayiposta kuma social media vele yiyo ngilabona. uthi ngibone vele real ukuthi lo muntu musuphila i-soft life. Uthi fike umuntu angikhombe ikamera lami athi no friend geza, and then mina ngizokulungisa ukudla, then udle-ke ukhona uphumule cause qala usendleleni. Uthi from la ngihlala khona to Cape Town is the whole night and kodanyana day, yabona kahle kahle one enough day ukuthi afike eCape Town ngebhasi. Hayi uthi hayi wona awusithosi vele hayi ngigeze ngibuka ukuthi vele ngiyadla. Hayi umuntu athi okay ungalala, angikhomisile room lami. Uthi hayi ngifeel special mara mosquito, ngifeel special kulobona like the friend undlisa konke hayi ebotsi and she's taking care of me. Athi no, lala kusasa ngizokukhomba ikapa. Uthi okay sharp ngilala. Or okay na awushots ke ngiyanola ohoreng. I appreciate every little thing I have because of besina everything. My father died, saluza everything. So lokho kuncane ngikutholayo like ngiya appreciate kakhulu. Uthi vele ngimbonga friend, ngimbonga even the boyfriend ukuthi ngiyabonga umusoni ungenzele wona. Uthi hayi ifuna ukuthi ngivuke ekseni sambe siye shopping. Uthi friend angithengele izimpahla, angithengele athi khetha diaparo, uthi ngithenge vele izimpahla, angithengele inwele. Uthi ngibe muhle umuntu vele angithenge izinto ezi-right ezi-proper, ngibe muhle ayisifile endlini. Athi yo friend watseba mereko nokubeleditse ngona ke khopela dula le wena fa se re bolele ka wona, yabona. Uthi hayi vele masifike endlini umuntu vele aphophe champagne sihlale phansi ke. Athi angitshela athi friend nginomproposal yakho for wena and ngicela ukuthi uyithathe because i-boyfriend yami iyo organizele lo msebenzi, so please uzoyenza imali eshisiwe, so don't stress ukuthi ubani uzothini as long as uzosupporta basekini. Ufriend uthi nga-understand ngisho ukuthi maybe office admin or maybe uclean nyana or kusanahanela or ke mmereko mo bed. Uthi ufriend athi yabona le mpahla ngizithengele zona. Uthi like ngithengele sexy clothes and ziyangifanela athi siciphisana di crop top nyana. Uthi vele ziyangifanela athi bengifuna ukuthi ube yi-escort or kare escort king escort flow. Athi hayi awuyazi ukuthi kunabantu amantombazana escort amadoda. Escort akikhalukhanya yabona. Uthi nje ukuthi understand why uthi escort yabona. Athi ngifuna ukuthi wena sizo host ama businessmen yabona abanemali wena, and then the businessman alitlele mo if anyone shows interest mo wena yaba entertainer, if they want to ukuthi niwe lana you do that, and then labantu labo yibo abazofaka imali bazokubhadala like imali eshisiwe kuba umsebenzi wakho eventually kahle kahle. Thina we host parties bona bayeza lana, if anyone akubona sexy and attractive wena nawo vele uba mo entertainer motho, and then ifanyaka marago umfa like that. Uthi ukhulume the friend and the boyfriend ukhona lapho listening to the conversation. Uthi awusitozi unromance bus ticket ngathenga ngasala nge-100 randa ngayithenga ngakudla. Uthi lana ngikhona nginje nginezimpahla ngithengele zona nale mpahla engize ngazo, I don't have money and akunamuntu engathi ngiyamcela imali because family sekibo baba asisazwana, so sidependa ku grant kagogo yisiphilisayo, so angina backup plan. Uthi umuntu uthi and nna angisi umuntu engafeba, uthi namantombazana ebafeba like lempilo like izoba simple for bona na ngizange ngabe intombazana le gijima istrata igcwala istrata. So I've been that one person owahlala nomuntu one owangijithela ngenza zonke izinto but since ngihlala naye ngimutho mujwawo. Uthi so the friend angitshele lento ukuthi sithengise ngomzimba mo Cape Town. Uthi I was shocked, I didn't even respond, ngathula yabona. Uthi mkhotsi was like ngikhuluma nawe uyangizwa friend na, this is how we make money la ne Cape Town. Hayi usisi uthi vele abe serious abe like that. Uthi ngithi ngicela ukuthi ungiphe just for tonight for me to think about it and then I will give you the answer kusasa. Uthi vele usisters at okay uthi vele ebusuku ngingazi ukuthi ngimtshele uma ugogo or ngenze njani ngithule uthi ngicabanga abantwana abasekithi udla nabakhona bajabulela ukuthi ngithole umsebenzi uthi like izinto eziningi zirane like engqondweni nami uthi ngithi you know what if ever bazoza la ba-host ama-party akufani nokuthi ngiyoma endleleni yabona. So let me just take the job because ikithi badinga usizo la yabona. Uthi the following day vele usisters azeromini athi mkhotsi socabangile soyenza njani. So uthi vele ngivume ngithi okay I will try it but I'm not sure ukuthi fanele ukuthi ngibehave kanjani because izinto eziso angizazi. I've never been to expensive parties and stuff like that ngobantu abanemali yabona. So but sisters athi I don't worry mina I'll organize everything wena follow my lead yabona. Hayi ku-organiziwe vele kwenziwe le events what vele baza abantu uthi imoto odikoloyi very expensive cars beze uthi bafihle bo brothers vele bamikhaba abo baba badala uthi bafike uthi mabafika vele baba host and stuff like that uthi vele umunye brothers vele athi yimi athi mina ngifuna wena vele yabona. Uthi ba invite namanye ama girls ninguthi lento level ulo uLetisha uhlala ayenza see the first time ayenza ngami. So mina ngoba ngithize ngifuna umsebenzi wathi okay khona iphara lasemakhaya elingawenza futhi nalomsebenzi. Uthi kuza amantombazana agcoke sexy anuka kamnandi bafike nalabo baba uthi vele abantu bachoose abantu babo abantu bahambe bayenza whatever bayenza nabantu babo yanthwala kube ngathi like it's a brothel la kuza khona abantu abanemali bazowenza whatever bayenza lapho then bayahamba. Uthi kube like that uthi mina vele lo muntu vele angikhethe makangikhetha ubrothers kube ukuthi vele uthi asihambe like isiku private space la uzokhona relaxa khona. Ngitshela umkhotsi was like no hamani roomini leni ore ke makalo ukuthi yamkhotsi wami ngithengisa ngathi am a piece of steak onkwa. Uthi ngifike ngale ubrothers or anyake diku brothers vele I straight to the point kinyaka diku phela wona ku birthdays angitshela straight emahlweni uthi umzimba wami ubande two brothers ukhuluma so uya undressa or neke sina choice neke tla reng uthi ngikhumule vele brothers ayenze whatever afuna ukuyenza lana kimi ahambe angisho njalo uthi ngisale vele ngilalise ngubeni uthi ngasaphindele ngale party uthi vele qedala ngene eshowereni vele ngigeze ngithi amapijama ngene ezingube uthi mangisezigubeni ufriend wena waroba la mereko wafela apara happy lestorsion sokuhluku guys yo. Uthi girl uthi ngigcoke vele impahla bengizigcokile uthi ngibile partyini uthi hawu ngisajiva ngisenza ngathi ngiya enjoy. Uthi brothers omunye athi let's go find a private space. Ngihambe la uthi brothers akhulume athi hawu samele ngikhumula phela ngisemsebenzini mina. Uthi as shocked as I was ukuthi I thought this thing zoba once off thing kanti intombazane ingithengisile kulabo baba ukuthi bazolala nami. Uthi vele ngisho vele ngikhumula vele uthi brothers ayenza whatever afuna ukuyenza ngami whatever afuna ukuyenza asho agcoka ngisalezi ngubeni. Uthi ngcondweni ngithi okay ngiyogeza futhi ke uthi ngigeza uthi ngizinyanya nganyanya umzimba wami due to a friend that I trusted nabazali bami bamthemba. Uthi ngicela ngiphindele ngigcoke izimpahla zami ngizenza ngathi ngiya enjoya. Uthi lamantombazana aze lapha yana bona uthi vele mangise bathroom lo munya kokoti athi uzochama athi wena usesemusha ne shude girl nithi ya athi wena utoxwayela America onyaka odire some white sugar abona odire yona hore o tlwaele o tsamaile vibe batho ba baso banyaka ntwe one fela if ba fa ntwe ba patela big money and o tlo kry chelete abona o tlo kry chelete. So don't stress yourself uno dira ntwe banyaka o ska wara o tlo ba le chelete. Uthi ukhuluma so uyachama uzazilungisa spelling yazi esikhuluma ngathi ngithi ngiyothenga ama sweet ku my friend into esimple kanti ukhuluma ukuthi I'm selling myself and I'm selling my soul kahle kulala abantu. Uthi ngiphume uthi mangiphuma friend yo friend yazi ngiyakufuna phela lokho ukhuluma ngawo yazi uyakufuna. Uthi sengidlule kulabathi yabona yo maziphuwa ngobusuku obuyi-1 so now uyangifuna ngifunela omunye umuntu. Hayi uthi vele ngiye vele kulo muntu vele angitshela ngayo uthi vele mangifika uBrothers ufuna the same thing, private space, whatever ifunayo ahambe say 3 abantu ngesikhathi si1. Uthi makaceda vele uhamba vele uthi sekube ukuthi vele sekuzoya vele ngathi sekuyasa vele abantu vele sebayahamba. Uthi vele athi kimi atha ushayisile ungahamba ugeze ulale. Uthi vele ngihambe ngigeze vele ngilale. Uthi but angalalanga like I was still shocked. Uthi friend acting ngathi nothing happened as in ngathi akazi ukuthi abantu abangifuna bebayenzana. Hayi uthi the following day vele friend aseyimi athi yo usebenzile izolo ebusuku ne usebenzile athi azicocisa esivingathi yazini into ngiyenzile into encane usebenzile athi kela i-payment umuntu angithi bonge 30,000 ayifake plastic nemnyama athi na imali yakho yenze steady athi yabona ukuthi uma ungastika nami ngaba njani nemali ungagcina sohlala kule ndlu so if ungastika nami awintombazana mele ukuthi ube la atshela mina like that mina I'm selling myself yena kumi yena akazithengisi. Uthi vele ngibona ukuthi le mali le it's enough for me ukuthi ngingathi ngibaleke ngizibelele ekhaya but enye ingcondo ithi if I can make this one night how about mangahlala iviki lonke ke yabona. So uthi fonele basekithi ngithi hayi ufriend yas ungiorganizele imali ngizonithumela imali ukuthi in support the whole month yabona and then ngizothi inyanga mayiphela ngizonithumela enye. Uthi mama mvele ajabule uthi vele ngibafakele 10,000. Uthi like my mother vele ajabule imali ngaka musungana kunemali musangahlala lapho wasebenza ngani wami musungagcina sewusakhile umuzi nathi siphumela kagogo kwakho. Uthi like the way umama mbeka ajabulile bengicela ukumbona ajabula like that in years since ngagcina ukumbona ajabula like that ubaba saphila. Uthi the way ang encourage ngakhona ukuthi sofuna istene sishaya umkhukhu yazi mntwana uNkulunkulu akupha amandla yazi ubethi foundation usakhela ngakho i2 room sibe nasekini sekukhala kagogo kwakho do you know muska gogo ukuthi makunemicimbi bayakhuluma kilo bona things like that. Uthi like amagama kama wami angishintsha i-mindset ukuthi ngasabaleki ngihlale ngenze whatever I'm doing. Uthi kube indaba ukuthi vele ama-party siyakweminye imizi uthi vele ngihlangane namadoda 4-5 times a night 4-5 times uthi ngasanandaba uthi ngamix up akena labangani laba lo wase-bathroom vele sabayikimu ngaqala ke ubhema lento le emhlophe yabona ngifake emakhaleni yabona uthi ngaqala yona or awusithosi impilo yami ke yaphuma yaba out of control. Uthi mangibhemele yanto kusho ukuthi like ngizwa i-excitement I don't even care ukuthi ngayenza na 10 yamadoda ngebusuku kwe1 benginganandaba as long as ngazi ukuthi ekseni imali ngiyayithola. Uthi mawulala nomuntu owanithola 10,000 so mawulala na 10 it's 100,000. Uthi ngaqala ukwenza imali eshisiwe uthi like engwaba ukuthi I'm the new girl yabona endaweni phela uthi sebayatshelana ukuthi kuneyintombazana icede ufika uthi everyone makafika ufuna mina. Uthi bengijabula because of bengibhema le yanto bengasanandaba ukuthi like bengifeel ukuthi ngi-fresh meat laba phela bakudala semabuilding abasanandaba nabo sebanendaba nami. Uthi ngayenza vele ukuthi ngathumela ikithi imali umama wami waqala ke wafuna istendi ngabe sesicala nge-foundation ngakhela umama wami umuzi ngaze ngakhona ukuthenga ne-furniture all in 1 year. Ubona uthi awushoza impilo yaqala yabamnandi up until lento engibhemayo semanje sengiba addicted kiyo uthi angisakhoni so le imali engiyenzayo sengiyayibhema ke manje ngiyabhema sengifuna ama-expensive champagne sengithenga expensive things sengihlala ku-expensive apartment angisahlali nomngani wami impilo yami seyiqala ukuba expensive and it meaning ukuthi if anything iba expensive fanele kube ne-demand nayo ibe expensive. So ngoba lesasikhathi bekuyi-first year yami ngisafika bekiliphuphula everyone wanted me so now abantu sebangijwayele angisana lama clients la amaningi bengiba nawo per night. Okay usisi uthi ayi phela manje sengiphile expensive life sengifuna vele uthi vele kahle manje impilo yami bengasayi-afford cause ngihlala ngiyabhema ngiphila namantombazana abhemayo ngifuna ukuhlala siphupha ama-champagne hlala kuyeni expensive apartment ngapha ama-client itentele yami seyiphansi and impilo engiyiphila sengidependa kuyo manje 110%. Lesikhathi bengiyenza nje because of ngifuna ukusupport abasekhaya ngibakhele umuzi. So now singiyayenza ngoba sengibona ukuthi impilo enjani, yabona. Or I was choosing mina nomngani wami vele sibe ne fallout cause the boyfriend kamngani wami yabona saba so my friend wa find out uthi remember phela mina sengiyabhema, so everything ingenza bengasana ndaba. The friend wacabana nami cause wa find out ukuthi mina no sahlangana, yabona, ne-boyfriend yakhe, and the boyfriend bekathi makafuna imali and then ahambe nami ezintweni zakhe sifihlele this one, then ngihambe ngiyokwenza imali sishare mina ne boyfriend sifihlele the friend, cause mina bengifuna imali and phela impilo yami expensive, so bengasakhona ukuthi ngilindelana naba host ama party ngama weekend, so bengifuna ukufaka imali every single day. Mina nomngani wami saba ne fallout like that. My friend was pissed off ukuthi mina ngilele nomuntu wakhe, but mina ngamtshela ngathi now you introduce me to this life, now I depend kule powder wena uyibhemi, but mina ngike ngabhema the powder, and mina ngimkhaya wakho and my parents umzali wami nogogo wami bona they trusted you, kanti wena uzala uzongimoshela impilo. Uthi vele fallout date vele yabale ukuthi siyathukana, vele ngamthuka ukuthi ubusy nabantu bangaphandle in uthengisa amantombazana la South Africa kulabantu bakho bangaphandle, kuzozenza umuntu ongcono ngami because ngilena nomuntu wakho ngaphandle akasingcono ufana nalabantu laba abantu abalala nami musi. Angisho beninginyusa bengicash cow yenu manje ngoba I want to ukuthi ngizimele, so uyaqala ukuthi yakwata uthi vele abhorana nokuthi vele ungintroduce kule business mina now angisafuna ukuba andabona, sengifuna ukuzimela phela. Angisho singiyibona ukuthi imali rana kanjani. Uthi fallout yami nomngani wami kanti nayo yoba i-fallout yami ngoba ikithi sebaphila impilo ukuthi sebayadimanda every month ngabathumela kuma 10k 15k 10k, yabona. Nala ngihlala khona ku expensive ngapha ngibhema nento expensive efuna imali every single day, yabona. Uthi ayihlandele yami ngasabi phezulu like before, uthi manje sengicala angisahambi kuma house parties, abantu abaningi abasang invite because everyone ongibonayo so dlulela kimi, so ake sale mothona lengisukile ngifidile sukile to them. Uthi ngicala ke manje sengihamba ama pub ama clubs lawa ama expensive clubs, uthi abantu abalapha abaningi sebayangazi like the guys bawubalitshelete sithi bangigitsi, so now I'm no longer in demand. Sengiyacala ke manje sengilala na everyone ufunayo, as long as ungangipha le incane imali ke ufunayo. Uthi hayi kube ukuthi vele sengiyazithengisa manje ke street sengimana sestradini nangibamba or manje sengiba laba bageza abayo mestradini ke manje ngisese fresh meat sekile mhudu ngilobona. Uthi hayi vele impilo ingishaya like that. Ufriend ngalo muntu wakhe banabo bacabane bahlukane, umuntu athole fresh young girl ubuya emakhaya acoshe my friend remember in all this time ahlala nalo muntu wakhe okhuluma English lena yama capital letters, bekangasave imali, bekaspenda sports tele ku Instagram abe muhle athumele basekiba imali thinking ukuthi this person bayohlala forever, kanti the person manje so fed up nomngani wami, so thola umuntu acosha umngani wami. So my friend abuye arimkhotsi ngicela silungise izinto, I don't have a place to stay, imali enginayo seyangiphelela, so ngicela ukuthi ngicresh endaweni yakho. Uthi hayi ufriend makafike ngithi friend yabona him ona no amatafula kugcukile, now you need to sell yourself ukuthi sikhona ukuphila. Angeke phela ukuthi manje uzophila ngento ngiyenza ngomzimba wami, angeke. So ithu so yenza ngemzimba yethu. Uthi friends vele abona ukuthi akana option because angeke aphinda abele ekhaya phela from the expensive life bekayiphila nemoto. Uthi okay she do have a car, but ukuthi as abe nendawo ulala you abe nemali extra income akana ne business. The only business bekayazi ukuthi yena uscout amantombazana, ascoutele the boyfriend he organizer for lama parties and stuff like that, yabona. So mina no friend wami sicela ke sisithengise like that, sithengise to extend ukuthi my friend ibe hooked up lento engibhemayo. So now masela hooked up i-business bangahambi kahle, sicela sithengise nemoto ka friend, sithengise imoto ka friend sibheme imali. sithengise abantu sebayangazi phela mina eCape Town ukuthi sengilintombazane ethengisayo. Abantu abaningi abasathengi sokuthengwa vele idakwe ezongibhadala labo 200 300 ukuthi mina ngisuka from ama 1000 sengithengwa ngabo 300 200. Yabona no friend kube ukuthi kuyabheda kanjalo le expensive apartment bengihlala ngasakhona ukuyi-afford si downgrade to ama flat nyana lawa chipile uthi buphilo awusichozi bontrapile. I don't want to lie manje ngiyenza anything and everything to survive. Uthi it's very hard endleleni, it's very hard ukuzithengisa. Uthi ngizithengisa ngize ngizithengise kuma truck drivers, ngizithengisa uthi ngizithengise na kuma taxi rank if ikhona umuntu ofunayo nje into elahlile masinya anyway. Uthi kalibekisha uthi manje sengi-embarrassed ukuthi ngabuyela ekhaya. Ngi-embarrassed because my mother wangifonela the other day wathi wena ngizwe izindaba ngawo bathu udirang ku Cape Town kanti obereka udirang. Yabona uthi uma wami akhala because someone ongazi wangibona eCape Town, so wahamba wayitshela family yami. So my mom was like le mali yonke boyithumela ke hore wayithekisa na. Yabona, so I had to come clean to my mom ukuthi yes umngane wami ngithatha la wayongithengisa. So now ngajwayela lempilo nami bese ngizithengisa ke. So now lempilo lebe ngimphilisa angisakhona ukuyi-afford because of sengiqale ngabhema ne 1 2 3 4. Uthi like I confessed everything to my mother. So I was just ambona ole ilimo ne. I don't know what to do. Should I go home or ngihlale ngizithengisela ngize ngishone or what? Because ona no sengihlale roomini. Mina no friends hlala eku one room, a big room. Siyazithengisa or awukampona my pictures mangize Cape Town ukuthi bengimuhle njani. Ngibone nalo manje inhliziyo yakho ngaba minyama. Uthi angifisi ukuthi umzali wami angibone like that. My hope ukuthi for me ngife. Umzali wami angibone ngisebhokisini ngingasakhona ukuphendula because me seeing her azongibona like this will kill me. Ngaze ngasikhuluma istory sibhlungu. I promise some advice, guys. I promise some advice because like it's so painful ukuthi usabuke yini. Kubhlungu ukuthi usabuke yini because of they will judge you. Kubhlungu ukuthi bo providela everyone bangazi ukuthi bozithengisa, but everyone around you was happy ngoba uba providela ubalethele happiness. Uthi uma wakhe uyamcela every day ukuthi abuye ekhaya or seshala ngoro umwana wakhe itlagayi. But sisters uthi uma the minute ngibona ukuthi njani I know ukuthi she will break down. Uthi for the fact ukuthi I know ukuthi your rector akanjani into engidla every day. Arada angibone ngisebhokisini ngishonile than ukuthi ngize ngiphila ngiyobona umzali wami njalo. Uthi as much as ekithi ngibakhele a beautiful house but a beautiful finish abantwana basithi bengibabhekelela in everything, but I regret impilo engayiphila engadecide ukuthi ngizoyithatha. I wish ngathi ngale 30,000 ngagibela ngabuya ekhaya. So now I'm stuck here ngijunkie. If ngiyobile ekhaya I know ukuthi I'm going to sell whatever I can ukuthi ngikhona usupport le addiction enginayo. Guys, impilo the life ayikunzima. Bye bye guys.